This video is all about making a perfect reflection of an object in Photoshop. So to begin, let's make the object that you're trying to reflect transparent. In this case, simply click Select, Subject, and Photoshop's AI should be able to select the object just fine. If you see any imperfections in the selection, you can always tidy them up later by using the Quick Select tool or the Lasso tool. I will now create a layer mask to hide the background pixels. From here, just duplicate the transparent object layer by hitting Ctrl-J on PC or Command-J on the Mac. Then hit Command or Ctrl-T to bring up the transformation options and right-click on the image. Then select Flip Vertical. This layer will be our reflection. Now position the new flipped layer to where you want the reflection to be. I will simply move it down. Now right-click on the layer mask and select Apply Mask. This will merge the mask and the layer. I'm doing this because I will be applying a second layer mask on this layer, so I can't have two masks attached to one single layer. Okay, now all that's left is to add a new layer mask. We want a smooth top to bottom transition of this layer to make it look like a reflection. So to do that, I'm going to use the gradient tool. I will have to adjust the colors of the gradient tool to black and white because I can only paint with those colors on the layer mask. Remember that when it comes to layer masks, black color conceals and white reveals. So to change the colors of the gradient, just click this color panel over here and double click on the little houses with the colors inside them in order to change those colors. Just select white on one end and black on the other. When you have your new gradient ready, make sure you have the layer mask selected and simply drag up. And there you go, you have made a simple reflection of a transparent object. Let me know if you've learned something useful or new in this Photoshop tutorial. That's all for today, and I'm out.